Meanwhile, the opposition is blasting the government for the oxygen crisis on the weekend and what it calls an ad hoc approach in handling the pandemic.
Dear Prime Minister, I'm writing to you.
Opposition leader Mark Golding detailing a letter he says he sent to Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Monday following a hectic week for medical practitioners in the COVID-19 fight. Mr. Golding expressed concern and criticized the government for the increasing number of COVID patients, the stress on doctors and nurses, and the oxygen shortage on the weekend.
On Friday, our spokesperson for health, Dr. Maurice Guy, called on the government to use diplomatic channels to seek emergency assistance from our international partners to fly in supplies of oxygen for the island's hospitals. We remain very concerned that the existing arrangements are ad hoc and inadequate to meet the critical needs of patients across the country.
Mr. Golding also indicated that despite the Prime Minister's announcement to work with the opposition in handling the crisis, he has not been contacted on the matter. He is suggesting that an emergency summit be convened to identify suitable responses to the issues. In the meantime, he says he is pleased with the turnout he has seen at vaccination sites and is encouraging others to join in.
Why? Because the vaccine, while it will not prevent you necessarily from getting infected, it will save you from getting very sick. It will save you from hospitalization and the possibility of death.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.